Introducing vectors early in your C++ adventure. We've already covered arrays, classes, objects, dynamic memory. We've introduced this. Now we get to combine it all into a very simple data structure. It's called a vector that frankly is very similar to an array or a dynamic array or something of that nature that you're already used to. So the nice part is that actually I get to introduce a couple of new topics, and one of those is a C++ topic of a standard templated library. So that means that a lot of code is actually going to be done for you. So this, when it comes to a learning curve, won't be high at all. It'll be actually pretty flat, at least that's what I'm hoping for after all this. So in the STLs, they're going to introduce us to a couple more topics of templates and abstraction. That's what I'm going to go over here in a little bit after all of this is said and done. And we only have to get away with this because coding is really, really easy with this. So we don't have a lot of things that we have to worry about when it comes to a new learning of code in using the STL vector. The only thing that we really had to worry about is really a lot of theory that we've already talked about before. We are going to need the complete class profile that I talked about before, and I'm going to go over it again here in a couple of slides from here down over, but about overloads, constructors, again, all of these things that we've already talked about. Again, I'll go over it here in a moment. So this is good stuff, really, in reality. Combining all these different items into a new data structure that's going to be easy to use sounds too good to be true, but it actually is.